This is 10115 36th Way North in Pinellas Park, Florida 33782. This is a retirement golf community. This is an Abbey model, 1,216 square feet, 2-2. We're coming into the living room, which is 16 feet by 14 feet. Nice and bright and airy. And it connects into a dining room, which is 12 by 7. Here we have a kitchen, which is 8 by 6 with a tile floor. Looking back at the front door. Living room, those are all new windows. Coming down the hallway into the hall bathroom, which is 8 by 5. Here we're in bedroom number 2, which is 12 by 10 feet. Nice windows. Coming across, looking back into the living room. Here is the kitchen. Very nice work area with a breakfast bar. Now we're in the Florida room with hurricane shutters. Behind that door is a 5 by 5 utility room. There again you can see the breakfast bar. Coming into the master bedroom from the Florida room. There's a hurricane shutter crank up to raise and lower the hurricane shutters. Master bedroom is 16 by 12. Coming into the master bath with a shower, which is 8 by 4 feet. Very convenient. Lots of light in the master bedroom. We come into the walk-in closet, which is 6 feet by 5 feet. We're now in the garage with a pull-down ladder. The garage is oversized, 27 feet by 12 feet. Looking again into the kitchen. The garage has a large work area. It's oversized, windows. Automatic door opener with a combination open on the outside. Again, there's a nice work area. There's the dryer, the washer is in the utility room. Lots of storage area in the attic. Coming out the garage door there. Got a window with hurricane shutters on it. There's some more hurricane shutters by the door. Coming out to the lawn, which is maintained by the HOA Association. They do the watering. There's the hurricane windows down. Those are electrically operated. This is in the backyard. The mowing is all done by the association. The water is all paid for by them. There's the hurricane shutters halfway down on the back of the family room. Those are the hurricane shutters in the master bedroom. The HOA fee covers all the exterior maintenance. It covers the roof. Here you can see the hurricane shutters. There's aluminum ones in the garage if you want to switch that, but these let light through. It's a Trane air conditioner. They last forever. Those hurricane shutters are held on by wing nuts. Take the wing nuts off, they come right off. Water, sewer, trash, cable TV, internet, all included.